Introduction. Eja Riverside Corner is a food stall located in Kanga Place. This shop offered chicken rice, curry puff, roti canai and nasi lemak. As for our assignment, our group had choose to do about their main dishes, which is chicken rice. The chicken rice served at this food stall was one of the favorite of students and lecturers because of the location of each shop located at the Business Faculty of University Malaysia Perlis. The Eja Riverside Corner shop has been operating quite a while and has its own regular customer. Riverside Corner also provide affordable rates to its customers. The price for chicken rice is RM4 for a plate. For a food store, a lot of costs needs to be taken into account. Among them are the cost of raw material, variable costs and other ancillary costs. Shop owners have shared the costs used in providing chicken rice on a daily basis. As the shop owner, the various ways of profit and loss is on a daily basis. Therefore, our team's task is to know and calculate the cost used by this store to run its chicken rice shop. So by the end of this assignment, we are going to know all the costs needed to prepare a plate of chicken rice at this food store, starting from the cost of its raw material.
Next, for the total cost, we get using Microsoft Excel by use maximum and minimum output and overhead costs that we are collected from their business. After that, we also use Excel to get the marginal output and marginal overhead, that is maximum output deduct minimum output and maximum overhead, we deduct also minimum overhead. Next, we calculate the variable cost per unit, which is the marginal overhead divided by marginal output. And to get a total variable cost, we must multiply the output and variable cost per unit. For the total fixed cost, we just minus the overhead and the total variable cost. And for the lastly, the total cost function we can get with the formula, which is the total cost equal total fixed cost plus variable cost per unit. So for this business, the cost function is 23 plus 2.4x. Next, we must find the average cost function. Average cost is a cost per unit item. For this function, we have a formula which is the average cost equal Cx over x, that's x equal to item that we produce. And for the cost function for this business is ACX is average cost equal to 23 plus 2.4x, which is cost function divided by x.
Marginal cost is the rate of change in cost per unit change in production at an output level of x unit. Simply stated, it is the cost of producing an additional unit of the product. The formula of marginal cost is C prime x. Marginal cost function is 23 plus 2.4x, total is 2.4. The next one is the total revenue. The total revenue is the product of unit price and the quantity X. The formula of total revenue is price times unit. So for the day 1, the price of nasi ayam is RM4 per unit times 85 unit equal to RM340 for the revenue. And for the day 2 is RM4 times 90 unit equal to RM360. And for the day 3, RM4 times 80 unit equal to RM320. For the day 4, RM4 times 70 unit equal to RM280. And for the day 5, RM4 per unit times 45 unit equal to RM180. And the day 6 is RM4 times 87 unit equal to RM348. And the last day is day 7, which is RM4 per unit times 110 equal to RM440 for the revenue. So the total revenue for the 7 days is RM2,268.
The total profit. If the total revenue function Rx and the total cost function Cx are known, then the total profit function Px is Rx and the minus Cx is equal to Px. Day 1, output 85. So our revenue Rx is 340 minus cost Cx 227 is equal to profit Px 113. Day 2, output 90. Revenue Rx is 360 minus cost Cx 239 is equal to profit Px 121. Day 3, output 80. Revenue Rx 320 minus cost Cx 215, we get the profit Px 105. Output Day 4, 70. Revenue Rx is 280 minus cost Cx 191 is equal to profit Px 89. Day 5, output 45. Revenue Rx is 180 minus cost Cx 131 is equal to profit Px 49. Day 6, output 87. Revenue Rx 348 minus cost Cx 231 is equal to profit Px 116.2. Day 7, output 110. Revenue Rx is 440 ringgit minus cost Cx 287 is equal to profit Px 153. So our total revenue is 2,260 ringgit. Our total cost Cx is equal to 1,521 ringgit and 80 cents, and our total profit Px 746 ringgit and 20 cents.
Our conclusion. From the data that our group get from the owner, we can conclude that the total output gain in a week is around 567 units. The overhead cost ranges from 131 to 287 ringgit. The store can produce a maximum production of 570 units with an overhead cost of 275 per week, while the minimum production is 520 units with an overhead cost of 210 per week. From the data, we can know that minimum output the store can produce in a day is 45 units, which is on Friday, while the maximum output produced in a day is 110, which is on Monday. Therefore, the estimated profit that the owner can give within a week is 2,268 ringgit. As for the marginal cost of output include is 65 units with an overhead cost is for 156 ringgit per week. For the maximum and minimum total fixed cost is 23 ringgit, while the total variable cost maximum produced by the owner is 264, while the minimum is 108 ringgit. From here, we can conclude that this business stall can estimate their minimum profit based on the target that they can achieve per week. This is because the business is situated in a strategic place. It is situated in the university student that will be around the day. The store also sold quite affordable price that will help them in maintaining their regular customer. Therefore, it will be easy for them to prepare the food, and we will suggest that this business maybe can diversify the menu to help them to increase their profits. Thank you.